This 3-foot by 3-foot Mars Hydro Grow Tent Kit feels genuinely complete, with the tent, lighting, airflow, and basic accessories all matched to work smoothly together for a first or upgraded indoor setup. The included 150-watt TS1000 LED delivers strong, efficient light with a plant-friendly full-spectrum and dimming control, so you can tailor intensity from seedlings through flowering without wasting power. The tent itself uses dense, heavy-duty fabric and a very reflective interior that keeps light from leaking out and bounces it back to the canopy, supported by a sturdy metal frame that inspires confidence when fully loaded. The upgraded smart ventilation system stands out since it can be paired with a sensor and app to automatically react to temperature and humidity changes instead of forcing you to constantly tweak fan settings by hand. Between the mixed-flow inline fan, long ducting, and charcoal filter, the kit moves air quietly while doing a solid job cutting down on heat and odors, which is especially helpful if your grow space is near living areas. The dedicated clip fan with multiple speed options and wide oscillation patterns improves air movement inside the tent, helping prevent hot spots and encouraging stronger stems and healthier foliage.